Come see this lovely home just minutes from downtown San Antonio in the wonderful neighborhood of Highland Park. This 2-bedroom 1-bath has all the comforts of home, including an open floor plan with a large living room and wood-burning fireplace, eat-in chef's kitchen, hardwood flooring, elegant dining room, custom bathroom with a walk-in shower, and a large backyard for relaxing and entertaining. The home is within walking distance to multiple parks including Bode Park and Playground, Southside Lions Park, Comanche Park and Covington Park, allowing you to get outdoors and be active in the community, enjoying the 15+ miles of bike paths and trails at your leisure. The neighborhood's fantastic location also allows for easy access to I-10 and 281 and is nearby Fort Sam St. Phillips and the bustling Southtown district. A little TLC will make this home a fantastic investment and a great place to call home for your family. So call today and don't miss your opportunity to own one of San Antonio's prime real estate properties. Call 210-899-4295. That is 210-899-HAWK. Also visit thehousehawk.com for more details. Are you looking to buy a home in the San Antonio area? The House Hawk Taylor Decushion is pioneering a brand new buying experience for his clients, charging no fees, researching and negotiating cheaper prices, and even sending buyers on a rewarding European or Caribbean vacation after they purchase a home with his services. For more details, please visit www.thehousehawk.com or call 210-899-4295. Looking to sell your home? The House Hawk Taylor Decushion is San Antonio's premier seller's agent, offering an easy low flat fee of $4,500 with a bonus, only if your house is sold for more than it is worth.